Welcome to another episode of Simple Christmas Homemaking. I've got some decorating to do here in the kitchen. I've got this unboxing to do, and I'm going to make a Sunday lunch. So let's get it started. Christmas is one of my happy times, and I love Christmas decor. I like to decorate my entryway first, and then I move into the kitchen. And for the most part, I put the same decor up in the same place every year. This Santa picture goes right here, and the Rudolph plaque goes on the other side. But looking at this wall, I was reminded that the last time I worked in Zone 2, I saw these spots on the wall and knew the wall needed washing. I put them on the list to tackle this week. So I'll get the wall wiped down with a little vinegar, Dawn dishwashing liquid, and water, and then get the picture and the plaque put into place. I enjoy having a Christmas tree in the kitchen. I love the glimmer of the lights during the day, but even more so at night. I've had this tree for several years. It's one of those pre-lit trees that I can unbox, fluff it out, and plug it in. Only this year, half the tree didn't light up. Luckily, I had a small string of fairy lights that worked out perfectly. I'll put the ribbon and ornaments on it tomorrow. For now, I'll just enjoy the lights. Dinner today is chicken a la king. I've been looking for new ways to use rotisserie chicken. We used to eat chicken a la king when I was a girl, but I believe it came out of a can or maybe a TV dinner. I found a recipe online that seemed pretty easy. I'll link it in the description box so you can check it out if you like. The hardest part about this recipe was tearing apart the chicken and cutting it into bite-sized pieces. Cooking it was pretty easy, and I already had everything I needed in the pantry or fridge. Well, it did call for oyster sauce, which I switched out with teriyaki sauce, but other than that, everything was right here. I continue to enjoy my Caraway cookware. It's so easy to use and clean up. I just have to remember to cook on medium or low when I'm working with them. I'm so used to cooking on high or medium high, I have to remind myself to turn the heat down. The sauce for the chicken a la king was sweet and tangy. I will admit I made another batch of it so I could have extra at the table. I like my sauce. This bread slicer is one of the purchases that I am really glad I made. I buy a lot of bread that needs slicing and struggle to get even slices. This really mattered when I wanted to make toast in the toaster. Now I get beautiful slices every time. I'll link the bread slicer and anything else I use in the description box below. And of course, you can always check out my Amazon store. My cooktop is like the never-ending story. It always needs cleaning. I don't care how simple the meal, there's always a spot or two that needs wiping up. And when I saute veggies or the hubby fries fish, let's just say I'm glad I've got my Heinemann cooktop cleaner nearby. I did a lot of cooking and baking for the Thanksgiving holiday, so now it's time to switch out my oven liner to get prepared for the baking and cooking I'm going to be doing for Christmas. Now for the unboxing. I am so excited to get this unboxed. Look at there, it's a Teddy Blake. And Teddy Blake has made luxury handbags affordable. Unwrapping a Teddy Blake is like unwrapping the best gift ever. Look at this. Isn't she absolutely adorable? This is the 15-inch Bella Croc, and look at the design on the bag. I absolutely love it. You've got your signature Teddy Blake styling, and of course, you've got Teddy Blake stamped on the front, and then again you've got Teddy Blake stamped here on the inside. So let's talk about this beautiful bag. First of all, you've got a shoulder strap that comes inside. So if you like to carry the bag as a handbag, such as this, you can do that. But it's also got an area where you can clip the shoulder strap on. And now you've got a bag that you can use as a shoulder bag. Let's take a look at the features of this lovely, luxurious handbag. First of all, it's 15 inches. So it's plenty wide and plenty deep for you to put your things in it. On the side, there's a little snaps there that I can use to unsnap and make it wider on the inside, so when I'm out shopping, I can certainly tuck lots of things in it. And I plan to use it somewhat as a tech bag when I'm traveling. So one of the things that I was really excited about is the double zipper compartments that are here. And you've got a nice little compartment here that you can put your wallet. And then there's another zipper compartment here on the opposite side, the same size, that you can put some other things in that you don't want just loose and open in your bag. My cell phone, a lipstick, a pen, a mirror, a small notebook. I like to keep a comb at the bottom of my purse, and of course my iPad. And in addition to tech and tote, I also plan to use my Teddy Blake for travel. You can enjoy the luxury and feel of real leather, as all Teddy Blake bags are made with luxurious leather from Italy's finest pelletteries. With Teddy Blake, you enjoy luxury at a fair price. If you're looking for the perfect handbag this holiday season, look no farther than Teddy Blake. For more homemaking and Christmas inspiration, click here.